Welcome to our YouTube family on Money Academy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an exciting video. Let's make this journey together. I love you.
PixVerse AI, an innovative artificial intelligence video creation platform, is changing the game for content creators. We'll explore how you can use the power of PixVerse AI to create impressive videos effortlessly. PixVerse AI is a free-to-use web-based platform that allows you to create stunning AI-powered videos from text or images. With its simple interface and powerful AI technology, PixVerse makes it easy for anyone to create professional quality videos, even without any prior experience. Today, we'll walk you through the process of using PixVerse AI to create impressive videos, convert text to video, transform images into captivating animations, and even upscale your videos to 4K resolution. Let's take a look at what you can do with PixVerse AI. Text to video. Enter a text prompt, and PixVerse will generate a unique video based on your description. You can specify the style of the video, such as anime, realistic, or 3D, and the platform will do its best to match your vision. Image to video. Upload an image, and PixVerse will bring it to life by animating it and adding motion graphics. This is a great way to create explainer videos, product demos, or even just fun and creative animations. Upscale. Take your existing videos and upscale them to a higher resolution. This can be a great way to improve the quality of your videos for sharing online. How to use PixVerse AI. Open the PixVerse AI website. Press Get Started for the web app or choose the Discord community option. Log in with your Google account or Discord credentials. Next step, navigating the PixVerse AI interface. In the Popular Video tab, explore user-generated videos. Click on a video to view details, including settings and image sources. Utilize the Go Create button to copy and edit generation details for creating new videos. Use the Upscale button to enhance video resolution. Like a video to add it to the My Collections tab. Access tutorials for working with PixVerse AI. Next step, creating engaging content. Click on the Create button. In the Text to Video tab, write your prompt and description. Specify style, aspect ratio, and seed number for consistency. Click Create and wait for the AI to generate your video. Image to Video animation. In the Image to Video tab, upload your image. Specify movement in the prompt section. Choose the seed number and strength of motion. Click Create and witness your image come to life. Upscaling videos to 4K resolution. Access your generated videos in the My Videos tab. Select a video and press the Upscale button. Watch as PixVerse AI upgrades your video to 4K resolution. So guys, PixVerse AI opens the doors to creative possibilities, allowing you to transform ideas into high-quality videos. Experiment with different settings, styles, and prompts to achieve the desired results.